Welcome to ScoreTalk, where we discuss real-life financial stories and tips to navigate through our credit score solution. My name is Kylie, and I'm here with Jillian and Nick. Hi guys, I'm so excited to be here.
I can't wait to dive into today's session.
Well then, let's get right into it. Today, we will highlight the credit score simulator, what the credit score simulator is, and why it's important.
This is one of my absolute favorite tools. I love that you can play around with different scenarios without impacting your score.
Exactly, it's really cool. The credit score simulator is part of our credit score solution designed to show you how different financial moves could impact your credit score. Should we explain the different scenarios that go into the credit score simulator? That's a great idea. There are 3 different types: applying for new credit, managing balances, and managing payment activity. Each come with targeted questions and fill in the blank fields. Users will enter their specific data into these areas, and the simulator will generate a preview of how these actions could impact your credit score, whether positively or negatively. The simulator does the work for you.
Another great part about the simulator is the ability to change the data as many times as you want. If you enter a number and receive a score, but later realize the number was incorrect, you can easily go back and update it without any negative impact. This flexibility ensures that your calculations remain accurate and up to date. Additionally, if you're uncertain about which financial moves to make, you can explore different scenarios to see which one will have the greatest impact on your financial goals. This approach allows you to make informed decisions with confidence, knowing that you can adjust as needed.
Wow, I just love how it doesn't affect your actual score.
Exactly, it's all hypothetical.
I've done it at least 8 times now, and each time I've gained new insights, deepening my understanding of how credit works.
Should we do a demonstration to see this in action?
Let's do it.
I also love how easy it is to find. You just open your mobile banking, go into credit score, and it's right on the main dashboard. Such easy access.
Absolutely, it's amazing. A few months ago, I was considering refinancing my first car and wanted to make the most informed decision possible. I used the simulator to explore my options and discovered that by improving my score, I could access much better rates, which would save me money in the long run. Motivated by this insight, I immediately started working on improving my credit score.
Wow, Kylie, that's super savvy. Did you end up refinancing the car?
I sure did.
That's fantastic. We've been hearing a lot of similar success stories from others.
Yes, it's definitely inspiring. I'm planning to try it again before I apply for my travel rewards credit card later this year.
As you should. Everyone listening, don't miss out. Be sure to try the simulator today and see what it can do for you.
Thanks for tuning in today. We hope you found this session informative.
If you have any questions or want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out.
We're here to help you every step of the way. Until next time, keep working towards your financial goals, and remember, we're here to support you on your journey. See you on the next episode of ScoreTalk.